Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a quick one. We're going to dive into the different layout options for the Phoca Cart Category module. A lot of users actually don't realize that you can completely change how this category list is displayed. Out of the box, the default view is a standard category tree. You'll typically see this used in the sidebars, either on the left or the right. But there's another option, displaying your categories as boxes. To do this, all you have to do is change the layout parameter in the module settings. Let's also adjust the module position, and there we go. As you can see, that exact same module is now displaying our categories as neat little boxes. Now let's try something a bit more modern. Horizontal scrolling boxes are incredibly popular right now, especially when optimizing for mobile devices. Let's switch the layout to the scrolling box option. Notice how, particularly on a smaller screen, these category boxes no longer take up a massive amount of vertical space. Instead, users can quickly browse through them just by swiping left and right. And that covers it for today. As you can see, even a seemingly simple module can pack quite a few different display options to perfectly fit your site's design. Thanks for watching.